Good morning. We've been up early. We got up about 4:20 this morning, and we're leaving the hotel. It's still going to be somewhat warm this morning, late morning, and then temps are going to be dropping, but it's not near as hot as it has been the past few days. So we're going to hit the trail early, get our miles in. We are headed, I think, about 36 miles. We have to get out of Jefferson City here, and then we're heading to a place called the Bluffton Barn. It's going to be, I think, a fun place to spend the night.
It might be storm coming.
Yeah, so we're trying to catch this window between heat and storm. So this afternoon, I think thunder showers might be coming in. So
Yeah, maybe even hail.
yeah, so we got to get all our gear downstairs and
Wait for as soon as it's light enough to be safe on the road, we'll be on the road.
dawn's early light.
I'm tired. Who gets up at 4 in the morning?
I don't know.
It just says, yeah, who? She says, if you guys do, I do.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she's still sleepies.
You want some coffee, girl?
Yeah. All right, let's get our stuff downstairs. We're ready to cross this bridge again.
Yeah, so we pushed the bikes probably about a mile from the hotel to the foot bike bridge that goes over the Missouri. Gave us a little warm up, gave Pistol a little morning walk.
Yeah.
Kept us from riding on the main roads, just on the sidewalk. So
Yeah, I like
it's time
that.
to hit the road or hit the trail.
Yeah.
It's gonna be easier going down this spiral than it was going
Yeah,
up.
you gotta do a spiral.
Do a brake check before you go.
Yeah.
Day's starting with a little sunrise. I don't know if that shows it well, but it's pretty cool. Hey, Pistol Girl. Break time. How you doing, babe?
Oh, good. I'm good.
We are probably 15 miles from the hotel. Little trailhead rest area, Tibbetts. So far, there. When we got to the Jefferson City trailhead before we went to the hotel, I talked to a guy, and he told me that the trail was much flatter and much better going this way towards St. Charles, and he was right. It's flat, super smooth. We were probably averaging a little over 10 miles an hour. First 120 miles, I think we're averaging between 5 and 6 miles an hour between the rough road and the hills. But we're doing good. We're just making tracks today.
Time for a second break. We are in Mocaine, Missouri. What do we got? I need to refill.
Ice cold water. Check this out.
Okay.
Little pump. Comes out the bottom.
Oh. Oh, nice.
It builds up from pressure.
Wow. Whoa. That works. Mm-hmm. That's good. Pistol, what do you think, girl? What do you think?
Oh, it's cold.
Oh, how'd it go, y'all?
Oh.
Oh, all right. This is just a quick one. So our next stop, we are about, I think, 15 miles to our destination tonight, or today, I guess I should say. Where's the map? What's our next stop here? We're in Mocaine. Okay, we're in Mocaine. We're 139.6 miles from Clinton, where we started.
How far?
139.6.
Pedal power!
Pedal power. Next stop is Portland, which is about 10 miles. All right, we got this. Oh, are you squirrely? Whee!
Hi, honey, how you doing?
Hi, good.
It's warming up a little bit.
Warm up a little bit.
It's not bad though.
Nah, we're in the shade a lot. It's
Tra-
pretty through here.
The trail is so much nicer from Jefferson City heading east.
Yes.
So smooth, our
Way
speed is so much better, the ride is nicer. The scenery is a lot the same. We haven't got into the urban areas yet. I'm looking forward to the breweries and the wineries I heard about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Haven't found those yet.
But this is pretty much what you see.
Yeah.
Haven't seen any snakes today.
None today yet, but it's hot enough for them soon.
See, last day we rode before the hotel, well, we saw a couple copperheads on the trail.
Yeah.
Not a big fan. But have you seen a mile marker?
120.
120, so we're
6 miles from Portland.
6 miles from Portland and 9 miles from Bluffton.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, because 111's Bluffton.
Yeah, that's right.
Clear. Bumpy road. All right, you want to stop in Portland?
Just for a water potty, yeah.
We stop in Portland and we can, how far away are we?
6 miles.
Yeah, then we only get like 3 miles from the barn. Maybe there's coffee up here.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Coffee and banana
I
bread.
think Portland's bigger.
Coffee, is that like Portland, Oregon?
I don't think so.
I love all these bridges and trestles we ride over. There's a dead fish.
Ew, I thought it was a snake at first, but I was like, no.
What the heck was a dead fish doing on the track?
I do not know.
Bird dropped it maybe? I don't know.
Oh, maybe, yeah, I guess so.
All right, let's get to Portland and get some banana nut bread and coffee.
Yeah.
We're all about the food on this trip.
Ooh, I smell skunk.
That's probably just yourself. Oh, look at this, huh?
Wow, cool.
Hey, finally I can see the Missouri again.
Oh, wow, yeah, there we go. That's nice.
Are we getting close yet, hon?
What's that?
Are we getting close
3 more miles, maybe?
to the break?
Yeah. Are we there yet?
Dude.
I think I've said that this whole trip.
I think she said earlier, I think I'm kind of done with this. But she's back into it again.
Well, I'm fine.
You will have your moments in these long days. This heat is the worst. But I think after today it should be great. Plus our mileage gets shorter and we're in the urban stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, these long days when it gets warm out are, your mind messes with you a little bit. You're like, you question a lot of things.
Yeah, I still want to go. It's just every day is like hurry up and get there because of the weather or because, you know, long miles, we're so slow.
Yeah.
Okay, I was mistaken. For some reason I thought Portland would be like a bustling metropolis, but this is it.
The bathroom.
There is a bathroom, which I utilized.
That white building right there, that's a bar and grill, but doesn't open for another 45 minutes, so that's sad.
That's sad. We're looking for coffee, actually. So yeah, I think we're just a few miles down the road.
So we are, let's see, there's Clinton side. Oh, me. Whoa. Jefferson. Okay, we're in Portland, and it should be right
before Bluffton,
right
I think.
Before Bluffton.
Yep.
So we'll cross under the
94 overpass.
Yeah.
And start looking for a barn.
I guess we just look for a barn.
We'll just flag Doug down.
We'll start yelling, Doug! Doug, we're hungry! Feed me!
Did we tell them about what was happening tonight?
We might have. I don't remember. I've done a lot of things. Let's just redo it.
Okay.
Let's just tell you. If you heard this before,
okay.
Fast forward.
Okay. So we're going to a place called Bluffton Barn, and the owner's name is Doug. And for $10, I think it's $10, you can pitch your tent. Could be 10 per person. I can't remember. No, 10. Okay, and then $30 per person. He will cook you dinner and breakfast the next morning. So we signed up for that as well, and it's going to be a surprise. He said so.
He said, do you have any diet restrictions? We said, no, not really. And he said, okay, I'll go to the market, and it may be a pot roast, it may be a corned beef, maybe a fish, maybe something made with a Buick.
We're open to all options at this point. Okay, we ready to do this last leg? Let's do this last leg. Baby.
I guess we're here.
We made it to the barn. We met Doug. He pulled in right behind us. He's running to the store right now. It's 10 miles away. He's getting dinner. Dave inquired about the beer.
I asked if there was a place to go get beer, and he said he'll have a beer kitty. So I'll pitch into his beer kitty for sure.
Yeah. I'm gonna go hit that shower.
I think.
Oh, we made it to the barn. Oh, and Pistol gets to be off leash. Yeah, she's a happy girl.
Yeah, and inside the door there, he said he showed us where the bathroom is, where the shower is, and set some towels out for us. So this is pretty cool. What a cool guy.
Yeah. We just finished up dinner, and then it started raining. We got our first rain of the trip.
So Doug cooked this, it was like pulled pork.
Barbecue pulled pork.
And baked potato and corn on the cob and a big fancy salad.
Homemade bread. He made bread this morning, and then he's going to make bread again in the morning for our breakfast.
I was polite and only ate 2 big pieces.
I had 2 pieces as
I
well.
wanted to eat the whole thing.
And then he's making a breakfast casserole in the morning.
So if you can stay in a tent, but he also, in the barn, he has a loft he's fixed up. It's super cool. It's rustic for sure, but it's super cool. And his bed's up there. And it's another cyclist couple, Kurt and Dana? Sorry. Anyway, they're
the boss.
Yeah, they pulled in on their bikes, and they did like 70 miles today.
Yeah,
in this heat, which is crazy. And they're staying up in the loft. So we had dinner with them, and then we're all having breakfast tomorrow at 7:30.
Yeah,
and,
super fun spot.
Another cool couple we made, and they're going to be in
Augusta.
In Augusta, the same we are. So we're going to try to get together with them up there. But
fun.
This is the first rain we've had in the tent.
It's gonna be a long night in the tent. Is it waterproof?
We'll find out. Is that sit down good?
Yeah. It's the first time we've had this in the rain.
I'm gonna sleep good.
I am too.
That thunder is cracking loud.
Yeah. Yay, adventure.
Her idea.
I hate thunder, actually.
Pistol seems okay.
Yeah, pistol's good.
Oh, the wind is hitting this way.
Oh boy. Okay, well, we'll get back to you about this.
Or maybe we won't.
Or maybe we won't. For behind the scenes footage, extra content, and all our videos early release and ad free, check out our Patreon page.
And check out our blog on our website, carryonvagabond.com.
Thanks again, and
carry on.